At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, February 6, 2023, State Street is doubling down on Meta Materials stock. Meta Materials stock investors will get a full view of institutional ownership as of fourth quarter on February 14. State Street reported owning 14.20 million shares of Meta Materials as of December 31. The firm last reported owning 3.35 million shares as of September 30, meaning it increased its stake by 323%. Meta Materials stock is down about 15% year to date. Meta Materials, Nasdaq MMAT, stock is down about 15% year to date, although a major financial institution recently reported purchasing shares of the company. Meta Materials stock was thrown into controversy last December after the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority decided to suspend shares of Meta Materials preferred shares. At the time, FINRA cited halt code U3, which is reserved for events that can cause volatile price action. These shares of Meta Materials preferred shares were slated to be replaced by shares of NextBridge Hydrocarbons. Shareholders argued that the halt was implemented in order to bail out short sellers of Meta Materials preferred shares. They believed that short sellers of Meta Materials preferred shares would be forced to cover their positions before the stock was replaced by NextBridge, which could result in an uptick in price. Today, shares of Meta Materials preferred shares are still suspended. Meanwhile, shareholders on social media are still reporting that they have not yet received their shares of NextBridge. That said, the news of a large institution scooping up shares should be encouraging for shareholders. Let's get into the details. State Street doubles down. According to a 13G filing received by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on February 3, State Street owns a total of 14.20 million shares of Meta Materials as of December 31. As of September 30, State Street reported owning 3.35 million shares during third quarter. This means that the firm purchased 10.84 million shares during fourth quarter, increasing its position by a significant 323%. This sale cements State Street as the largest shareholder of Meta Materials, who has submitted an updated position as of fourth quarter. 10% owner Thomas Welch owns 2.44 million shares and 19.71 million exchangeable shares, although his position is only accurate as of October 25. Simplex Trading is another large shareholder of the company through call and put options. As of December 31, Simplex owned call options against 1.31 million shares and put options against 268,000 shares. The deadline for institutional investors to file a fourth quarter 13F form falls on February 14. On that day, Meta Materials stock shareholders will get a full view of institutional ownership as of December 30. Shareholders should also watch out for BlackRock's ownership stake, as it owned 5.53 million shares as of September 30. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.